Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. We are looking at the Cheotech 5-coil dual fast wireless charger. This is from Amazon. Runs about 38 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I am an Amazon associate, so if you want to help out, support the channel. If you buy stuff from Amazon, feel free to go through my links, and that will give me a little kickback there. Alright, so this one features some dual charge outputs, 2 devices simultaneously, powerful 5 coils for wider charging area and better charging efficiency, USB-C 10 watt, 7.5 and 5 watt for different QI enabled devices. Okay, so let's try to open this up. So, like I said, it runs about 38 bucks on Amazon. And with all my unboxings, I try to link the item below in the description. If I can ever get this. You know what? I'm about ready to go get a knife. It's close. You've got to be kidding me. Maybe we'll roll it off there, I guess. Okay, there's one. And unfortunately, we're going to have to go through that again. Good golly, you've got to be joking me. Perhaps I should have taken this off before I started the unboxing, but then you guys wouldn't be able to enjoy the struggle here. There we go. I should have made a video how to remove those little stickers. Alright, accessing the box here. Pulling that out. And here we go. Alright. So, feels kind of like a cool. Has like a little instruction thing, user manual. I'm pretty sure it's just like a plug and play. So, this one here. Alright, so it has that. So the device itself, on the bottom it features some little rubber pads here, rubber silicone, that'll keep it from sliding around when it's on the counter or whatever. This part up here, it feels kind of like rubbery or silicone-y too. You put the phone on there and it's probably not going to go anywhere. Okay, so it comes with this USB cord here. Right there, and also this nice little plug-in here. I'm going to head and test this out here. Why not? Let me go grab a couple phones real quick. Okay, managed to rustle up a couple phones. I'm not using this one right now. I'm actually using the USB from this ring light here. So I'm just going to plug this in real quick. And this is just right in the back here. Just like that. Alright, let's test it out. So here we go. We got a couple of phones. Boom. Bada bing. Bada bing, bada bing. One's going. And yeah, they're both charging. So that's pretty sweet. They both have these are pretty thick cases on there. And they both fit on there. These are iPhone 11 Pro Maxes. So pretty much like the wider phones. I mean, they're wide phones for sure. So just putting it on there. Let's see if we just stick it on there like that. Is that charging? Just off to the side there. Is that charging? No. That's charging. Okay, so basically it has to be either like on the thing like that or on the side like that. So easy. One thing I did notice is that it's nice and secure on there. It's not really going anywhere. And yeah, this provides a nice steady base for your phones to go onto as well. So these are, like I said, iPhone 11 Pro Maxes. So they both fit on there nicely. So pretty much doesn't matter like how big a phone you got. This is going to be able to fit both of them on there. So this has good ratings on Amazon. I believe it was like 4.5 or almost 5 stars or whatever. I don't know, like thousands of ratings. So that's why I kind of got this one, and I wanted with the higher wattage so it could charge faster. So all in all, it looks like a pretty sweet little device here. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you got any comments or questions, let me know, and I'll try to answer them all. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.